It's Christmas Eve, red lights wish me the joyeux Noel. It's Christmas Eve, red lights invite me to a live sex show. It's Christmas Eve now. 1 year ago, walking through dead streets and dirty snow, I stepped into a bar. He was singing songs I didn't know. I asked him to dance. He didn't say no. There is no